In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an imaginative and fun scene using an AI art platform. We'll bring to life a unique scenario featuring a dog parachuting, captured in the style of GoPro footage. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can use technology to channel your creativity. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. This is the search engine we'll be using to find the tools we need to bring our idea to life. Once you're on Google's homepage, locate the search bar. Now, you'll want to type in the word Sora. This will lead us to the platform we'll be using today. Simply press Enter after typing Sora, and you'll see a list of search results pop up almost instantly. The next step is to identify and click on the official Sora website from the search results. It should be one of the top links, easily recognizable, but take a moment to ensure that you're clicking on the right, legitimate site to access all of its available features and resources safely. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be directed to the Sora homepage, which provides an inviting interface for exploring creative prompts and visual storytelling. Now, with the Sora website open in front of you, it's time to unleash your imagination. Here, you can craft a visual prompt that encapsulates the scene you envision. So, in the available prompt field, type in this idea: dog parachuting, GoPro footage. Picture a dog skydiving with the wind realistically ruffling its ears and the thrilling moment of an authentic parachute deployment. This phrase will instruct the AI to focus on these specific elements, capturing the essence of a dog in an action-packed parachuting scene through a highly cinematic lens. When you're confident that the prompt paints just the picture you want, the final step is to click the Submit button. This action sends your directive to the AI on the website, initiating the creative process where the engine does its magic, generating images based on your input. Be prepared to wait a brief moment as the system synthesizes your idea into an artistic rendering. You're now well on your way to witnessing your concept spring to life in vivid colors and dynamic composition. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully used contemporary AI tools to create an exciting dog parachuting scene that could have walked straight out of an adventurous GoPro ad. With practice, you'll find this method is not only simple, but also a fun way to experiment with different ideas and push the boundaries of creativity. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to keep exploring and creating more imaginative scenes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more exciting tutorials.